Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on graphing piecewise function. In this case, we're looking at what's called the closed case. Again, an iGCSE additional mathematics and A-level type question, A-level type calculus question. Okay, here we go, and it says, uh, let g of x be defined as 2 minus x with the restrictions that x is greater than 0 and x is less than 2. And then x minus 1 with the restriction of x is greater than or equal to 3 but less than 4. It then says plot the graph and find the domain and range of g of x. Now, firstly, what I've done is to plot the graph of y is equal to 2 minus x and y is equal to x minus 1 with no restrictions at all. And that's what our graph looks like. If we now impose our restrictions, our graph will look something like this one here. Okay. Now note here that in this case there are restrictions there. Right. Now for the brown graph, we know that x is greater than 0 but not greater than 0. So when x is 0, y is 2, and at this point here, at the point 0, 2, the circle is open. Similarly, when x is 2, y is 0. Again, we'll go to circle and open circle because x is not equal to 2. Similarly, for x minus 1 with the restriction imposed, we've got the purple graph here. Now, note that in this purple graph, when x is 3, y is 2 again, the point 3, 2 has got the circle closed because x can be equal to 3. Moving on, when x is 4, y is 3, again, the point 4, 3 is there. Okay, and it's open because x is not equal to 4. So if we now project the brown graph for the values of 0 to 2 for x and the values of 3 to 4 for x, if we then project these lines onto a number line parallel to the x-axis, we have this here. So this will be the projection of the graph of 2 minus x, where x is greater than 0 and less than 2. That's the projection onto a number line parallel to the x-axis. And similarly, we've got the projection of the purple graph onto the number line there, where x is equal to 3, but x is less than 4 there. So as you can see, there's a gap between the 2 and the 3 there. Because if we move across from left to right, there's a gap between these 2 here and the 3 there. So we then have that the domain is 0, 2, and 3, 4. Now note here that before the 3 in this case, there's a square bracket because we know that x is equal to 3, and that's valid for x equal to 3. Now similarly, we can project the brown graph and the purple graph onto a number line parallel to the y-axis. I'll get this here. Note that as we move from the x-axis parallel to the y-axis, there is no gap whatsoever. Okay, there's no gap. When you compare this to the domain where there's a gap, between 2 and 3. So the range would then be 0, 3. Okay, So that's our range, 0, 3. And don't forget here that we've got the normal brackets there, or parentheses, because this is an open circle there, and that's also an open circle there. So the range is 0, 3. Now, I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye now.